So now I'm gonna teach you how to make a glow shadow. So now open Photoscape. Then click editor. Then pick a PNG image, any. Then go to bright color. Then make the contrast to negative 100. Then click the arrow beside the brighten color. Then colorize it. Then click filter. Then click blur. Then click OK. Then add the same photo as you do a while ago. So, there, you have the glow shadow there. You can see it. Then add text. Actually, I have a glitter text. I made it last time, so I'm just gonna add it. Actually, it's a PNG image. Here, Ariana Grande. Before that, I want you to add a box first. Then the opacity to low. Purple. There. Then photos plus object, combine your photo with objects, click OK. Then add the text a while ago. There. Sakto. There. Then save it. Fast, right? It's easy to do. Watch my next video. I'm gonna teach you how to make a how to make a book edit. So just wait for my next video. I hope you like it. Then goodbye.